What's up, Glam fam? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and today we're coming to you with a really good video. This is an exclusive. We are coming with the ABH summer releases. Now, I know if you've been on Twitter, if you've been on Instagram and seen Trend Mood or Norvina's posting, you have seen that they are coming out with some really bomb products for the summertime. They want us to be glowing all summer, okay? And that's a movement I can get down with. If you want to see the products they're releasing, get all the deets, all the specs, you want to get my input as to what it is you should spend your money on, stay tuned. So, I know like the last video that we did with the PR, it was the big package. This is my first official new release from Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So let's just get right into it. First of all, look at this. Look at all of these. Look at this packaging. It's so amazing. It's so pretty. If you guys have followed me on Twitter and have ever seen my glam room, y'all know I love me a gold and white and black. So this is like right up my alley. I might even, when I put my shelves up back here, I might even just stick this on the shelf, empty box and all, because I love this packaging. So in this PR kit, we got the brand new pigments. We got some ABH temporary tattoos. We got a mini lipstick quad. And then we got the thing that everybody has been waiting for, the shimmering body oil. And I'm really excited. I'm really excited about all of this. Let's get right into it. First, we have the shimmer body oil. Look at this packaging. Bomb. It is so cute. Anyway, this is the shimmer body oil. Ugh. And it is, I can't get it out of the box. Let's see if we could shimmy this out here. Woo! Oh my goodness, that took an effort. This is the shimmer body oil. It is 1.5 fluid ounces. It's gonna be $38 when it comes out. And from what I see, it looks really good on everybody's complexion. I'm gonna bring it up really close so that you can see all the shimmery particles that are going on in there. Look at that. Beautiful, gorgeous, delicious. Look at all of that. Bomb. We're gonna put that on a little bit later. Now, these are the loose pigments. They're $22 each, and I think they're only available online. But they're huge. When I first heard that they were $22, I was like, ooh, that's a lot. But it's really big. I'm gonna show you the difference between a loose pigment from ABH, and this is my NYX loose pigment. So look at that. You get a lot more. This is 1.3 grams, I believe. Yes, 1.3 grams, and this is 5 grams. So the price difference, yes, is big. I think these are like $6, but you get almost like 5 times more of the product. One thing I really like about ABH glitters and pigments is that it has this little flip lid. Y'all know I'm a sucker for good packaging, but it has this little flip lid right here. So you can throw some out and then close it back and then just screw the whole thing on, and you don't waste any product. I love that because this is fairly expensive. $22 for this, right? It's fairly expensive, and you don't want to waste all your product. And also that just ensures that it will last for a very long time. I'm gonna swatch them dry with my finger, and then I'm gonna swatch them wet with this brush and the Smashbox primer water right next to it so that you guys can see the difference in the payout. And I am cleaning my brush with my Veramona color switch in between applications so that there's no cross-pollination. So those are the 5 pigments. I really love Daiquiri and Desert. The rest of these are really cool too, and I think they'll be great, especially for bridal or when you want to do a really nice neutral summer simple clean look. I think those would be really nice. but the ones that really call out to me are Desert and Daiquiri. My arm is clean. We're gonna move on to the mini lipstick set. Let's just go ahead, let's just jump right into this. Coconut. These are supposed to be matte, but guava has like a shimmer to it, so I don't know if it's going to be very, very, very matte. Lychee is like guava in that it has the shimmer with it. Norina says she wants us to glow this summer, okay? So those are the 4 mini matte lipsticks. So I'm going to do a look really quickly that incorporates the loose pigments, the lipsticks, and then I'm going to spray the shimmer body oil so that you guys can see how it looks on my skin, which is why I'm wearing this little summer dress. And then if there's still sunlight outside when I'm finished, I'll go outside and take a phone video for you guys so y'all can see how it really, really, really looks in the summertime. So I'm going in with the Arcade by Kiss Mauve Lip Liner. And I'm putting Orange Blossom on top of that. So we're done with all of the face stuff, and we're gonna try this shimmer body oil just to, you know, see what's what. Let's see if we like it. Okay. Shake it up. Let's give it a good shake. Ooh. Unshimmered, shimmered. Unshimmered, shimmered. I just look really moisturized, honestly. I'm pretty sure if we were to go out in the sun, which we still have a little bit of sun, it's like golden hour right now. So I'm pretty sure if we were to go out there, I could take a really good picture with you on my phone, for you guys on my phone. I actually might do. So I am walking through the neighborhood trying to find the perfect spot to show you guys this shimmer oil. You can see a little bit right there. Let's see if we can get it on the top of this hill. I don't think we're gonna get it. I think we missed golden hour, guys. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before we wrap up, I'm just going to give you my brief synopsis of everything that came out. I definitely think that the shimmer oil is a must-have. I really, really like it. It looks really good on. The shimmer is nice and subtle, but you still kind of look like glowy. I like the way it smells. Some people were complaining about the smell, but I don't mind the smell. I like it. And I also really like the loose pigments. They are really nice and easy to blend. They look really good on, and I used them with a wet brush here, so it just has a nice finish. I really, really like that. It's not like a regular shimmer. It's not like a regular foil. The only thing that I think you could skip on is the lipstick quad, and that is only because I feel like the only one that I really, really, really will wear is Coconut. I really wanted to like Orange Blossom, but it was very thin when I put it on. I kept having to like go over it for it to show up. And then even after that, I put Coconut on top of it because it just wasn't giving me the finish that I wanted. I haven't tried Lychee or Guava. yet because they have glitter in them, and I'm not sure how I feel about glittery lipsticks. I'll probably try them on my Instagram stories tomorrow so that you guys can see how good they work when you put them on and you lip line and all that other kind of stuff. Anyway guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and when the subscription bar changes into a bell, click the bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And you'll be part of the Glam Fam too. We're pretty cool people, so you want to be a part of the Glam Fam. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Are you ready to get down? All right. You ready to leave me alone? Finish knocking over things so I can film? Don't bark at nobody. All right, guys, that is the video this Titan.